So we're talking about dictionaries here. A dictionary consists of a set of keys and a set of values. So what you see here are called key-value pairs. For instance, A1 is a key-value pair. A is a key, 1 is a value. So a natural question is, can a key have more than one value? Like, can I do A:1, A:2? What happens then? So if I try to set the same key to two different values, then what actually happens in the dictionary is that the value given to the key will be whichever one was set last. So in effect, I can only have one value per key. So if I want to represent this function f from 0, 1, 2 to 0, 1, 2, given by f of 0 equals 1, f of 1 equals 0, f of 2 equals 2, one way would be as this table. So I have the formula that tells me what happens at each point. And then I also have a table representation where the input is on the left and the corresponding output is on the right. Then to take that function and put it in the computer, I can represent it as a dictionary with curly braces, 0:1, 1:0, 2:2, close curly braces.